Hi there, this is Dr. Holt. I want to welcome you to class. This is going to be a new experience for all of us. Look forward to having you in class. I want to kind of share with you a couple of ideas we're going to try this term. I would like to make the class more personable as far as interaction between yourself and myself. So what I'm asking you to do is download a copy of Skype, S-K-Y-P-E, and it's free, doesn't cost you anything, and set it up on your computer. Usually laptops have built-in webcams and things, so it's not a real expensive item. I have a microphone here that I bought for $5 from I think Walmart. So I'd like to ask you if you would to get that. We're going to use that several times during the class. I'll spend a little time talking to each group and just kind of answer questions you may have, give you some feedback. I think personal touch is what our work is all about. Human contact, human interaction. And so I want to make myself available. I don't want what we do to supersede the curriculum or the structure of the class, but I'd like to see it accentuate that which we're doing. I look forward to having you. Let me just kind of go over a couple of items. Right here is my BlackBerry, the infamous, you can't get away from it at all. This is my cell phone. When I took the commitment to teach at Liberty University, one of the decisions I made was to try to be as available as possible, which basically means this gets my emails from Liberty almost the moment my email box gets them. So therefore, if your answers to me are needing to be lengthier than maybe 1 or 2 lines, then I'm going to invite you to call me. I've left my phone number on the web. I've sent it in my welcome notice. So I'm trying to make myself as available to you as possible. I feel like the responsibility of contact now is in your court. But understand that you'll get a short response from me on the email. But if it's a lengthy conversation, a problem with an assignment or something of that nature, we need to discuss it, I would encourage you to pick up the phone and call. If I'm in session, I won't answer. You'll leave me a voicemail and I'll get back to it. The third thing I'd like to ask you to do, if you would please, is to send me an email with your contact information. I'd like to be able, throughout the class, to be able to give you a call, see how things are going, see if there's anything we can talk about that we need to pray about, and to look at how to make your pilgrimage to become a therapist much more successful. That is the goal here. The goal is to, as one prophet used to use the term, make us faithful, available, and teachable. Sometimes when we go into graduate school, it's difficult because we've been out for a while and we come back, and all of a sudden here are people evaluating us. I need you to know from myself in my heart that is not a point of evaluation. I'm looking at you, grading the assignments you do. That is true. But I view you as a colleague, and by virtue of being a colleague, I welcome you aboard. I look forward to sharing with you. Sometimes ideas come from a mixture of all parties involved, which is why I look forward to Skype being a useful tool of interaction, because with folks coming from all over the country to our classes, to be quite honest with you, we have a wide range of perspectives that are offered. And sometimes those different perspectives, as we listen in class, become valuable resources. I know the students have taught me an awful lot in the terms that I've taught for Liberty. So I welcome you aboard. If you have any questions, cell phone works. I paid the bill, so therefore it stays on. But we look forward to being available to you. If you have any questions, give me a call. If not, welcome aboard.